Hello, Dave here again. Just thought today I would do a little tutorial on kind of best practices really for uploading your videos to YouTube, if you're a YouTuber as I am. I've always found it's really easier in terms of getting a really good workflow to have a lot of things set up before you even begin to do the upload. So I'm going to talk you through my own approach to that and the kind of templates that I've set up so that I can just kind of reuse and slightly customize things, all so that everything's all ready before I even upload the video that I've shot. So let's go through that just now. So my process really for uploading videos to my YouTube channel is to obviously shoot the video. That's a whole subject in itself, which I've got some tutorials on and I'll do some more. But let's just assume for the purposes of this video that you've got your video shot and edited and ready to go. So there are obviously a number of things that you also need to have ready before you upload that video. And those are a description. So you need to have a description written out for your video, which obviously you've got quite a lot of space that you can put a description in, and it's always good to spend a bit of time using as much of that space as possible. So quite a long description with some of the keywords that you're going to use kind of in there, so that all your sort of metadata and your sort of keyword targeting is kind of set up in the description, in the title, and also you're going to put tags into the tags area at the end. You're also going to need, for best practice really, a custom thumbnail. Obviously if you don't do that, then YouTube will just go through your video and select a thumbnail, but it's much better for a lot of reasons to actually set up a custom thumbnail. And again, you can create a template to do that, so that all you really need to do is maybe change the title for each video depending on what they are and what playlist you're going to put them on. So once you have those things all kind of set up, you're kind of good to go. Now, if you're in the YouTube partner program, you're able to link to associated websites. You're able to use things like cards and end screens. And again, for an end screen, that's something that you can have a template already set up for. And when you're editing your video, you'd have just popped that onto the end. The last 22 seconds would be your little end screen template that you've made up. And you can do that using Canva. So I'll jump into the computer and I'll just show you some of the components that I have ready, so that as soon as I'm ready to upload the video, I can select the video, get that uploading, and while that's uploading, I can just cut and paste all of these templates that I've got ready. And it just makes the process a lot quicker, because with the changes that YouTube have made to their partner program, you really do need to be putting out quite a lot more videos. So if you can do that more quickly, then so much the better. So I'll go through some of the templates that I use myself, and hopefully they'll be useful to you. Okay, so I'm just on my desktop now, and here's my little folder that I've got, which is just YT or YouTube templates. And these are the ones that I have in here. Just give you a look at these. So what I've got here is a variety of things. Some of these are actually templates that I use for the actual video, so it might be worth just having a quick look at those too. So I've got basically my logo here, which I put in most of my videos. I've also got an intro sting that I use for a lot of my videos, and that's all good to go in this little folder, and that just gets tacked on to the front of every video that I do. Now, for the description and so on that I mentioned for the actual workflow, once you're ready to upload your video, this is the sort of template I use for the description. Now, obviously every video is different, so this is all kind of changeable, but the template remains the same from really here all the way to the bottom, where I've got a link, because there's normally going to be a link in my video. Now, whether that's also going to be on an end screen card linking to an associated website, if you're able to do that, or not, there's always going to be a link, a call to action to a link in the videos, whether that goes to a blog or to a free video series that I give away, whatever, that's where I have the link. So all I'm really doing every time I do a new video is taking that out and pasting in the new link for that video. So I've also got in here, subscribe to my channel for more tips, tutorials, etc. Just again, another reminder to people to ask them to subscribe to your channel if they find it useful. That's also going to be in the end screen card, but again, whether or not you're in the YouTube partner program or not will depend on whether or not you can use end cards. And then I've just got a couple more links under here. Myself, my own website and my Facebook page. I've also, because of some of the products I promote, I've got a little disclaimer in here as well. And again, at the bottom here is the source. Every time you upload a video to YouTube, they'll give you a source for the video, and it's always a good idea just to copy that from YouTube, your channel, when it appears, and then just paste that into your new video. So it really just, if anyone embeds the video, then there's a link back to you as the creator of the video. So there you go, fairly simple. And all I do here is when I write a new description, I just remove the old one and just paste it in on top of that. But that template just really stays the same in my little folder there every time I do a video. This is a little template that I've got for an end card. I can use end screens, and they're really useful. So that's just a static image that I created using Canva. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll find another tutorial in there that tells you exactly how you can do that. Canva is a really good free graphics program that you can use to do all sorts of things, end screen cards being one of them. And so it's just really a blank template. When your video is uploaded and fully published, you can then open it up again, go to edit video, and add in cards and end screens if you are able to. And then it's just a case of popping all the different elements in there. That happens within YouTube. So you can have a subscribe button there. In my case, I often give away a free video series, and that little link goes in there. Then I can also add in a couple more of my videos or playlists into this area here. That all happens once everything's done and dusted. So you can also, the other thing you can do, I haven't really done here, what I tend to do is just do a separate little page of any links that I'm going to put into the link, the tags section at the end of the video. And you would just put those down in a sort of list format, separated by commas, and then you can again just copy and paste that in to the appropriate area once your video is uploaded. And then last but not least is the custom thumbnail. I've got mine in my little folder here, and I've just called it blank brand shot. So what I do is I kind of open this up. This is something I prepared some time ago, I think on Photoshop actually, and it's just got my little logo and me and one of our little cats. I use that just really to give a bit of continuity really to my channel, so that all of the thumbnails, or most of them, have this as the sort of custom thumbnail. So you can do something like that and have it ready. You can use Canva to do something like this and just have it ready. High definition is best, and all you need to do, or all I do, I'm on a Mac, so this opens in preview from my file. And what I tend to just do is to go to File, Duplicate, so that I've got a duplicate copy of that. And then I'll just go to Tools, Annotate, and Text. And then I can just put in a little bit of text here. Nope, get rid of that. I can just put in a little bit of text here that's appropriate to the video, and then just move it around and do whatever else I want to do for it. Save it into my desktop, and then I've got everything I need really to get the video uploaded, and everything's all good to go. Thanks for watching, hope you found that useful. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials on video and internet marketing, and feel free to leave me any comments. I'll be sure to get back to you. Cheers for now, bye bye.